How to see saved passwords on your iPhone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to see saved passwords on your iPhone. If you've ever forgotten a password and needed to check the one saved on your device, don't worry, I've got you covered. So let's dive right into it. Your iPhone has a built-in feature called iCloud Keychain that securely saves your passwords for websites and apps. It makes it super easy to access all your passwords right from your device. So if you're wondering how to view those saved passwords, keep watching. I'll show you exactly where to find and view all the passwords stored in your iPhone's keychains, whether you want to see passwords for websites, apps, or even Wi-Fi networks. This method works for all of them. First things first, go to Settings and tap on General and go to Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version. Once it's done, what you need to do is open an app called Passwords. It's an official app of iPhone. Now simply you need to open by using your face authentication or by biometric settings or your passcode before you can view your passwords. Now once authenticated, you will see all the websites and apps and passkeys for everything. For example, if you want to tap on all, here you can see all the websites passwords. You can also get all the Wi-Fi you've connected password and also the passkeys. Now once authenticated, if you want to view a specific password, just tap on the account or website name. For example, let's say this one, it does not have it, so let's see, and this one here, as you can see the password, simply tap on it to view the password. Now, if you have a lot of saved password, you can easily search for a specific one. Simply tap on the search bar and simply find what you're looking for. For example, TikTok. And that's it. Now you know how to view, manage, and even delete your saved passwords on your iPhone. To delete, what you need to do is simply swipe right and click on Delete. And simply click on Delete Passkey. And that's all there is to it. This is a super handy feature for anyone who uses multiple accounts and wants to keep track of their login details.